My name is Michael Shortino with Shortino Customs. I am a custom car builder, fabricator, restorer. My passion lies in doing restoration work. Antique cars, collectible cars, cars that you need to preserve and kind of, in a sense, protect to bring them back for further generations to see. I enjoy that because you're bringing them back from the dead. You're doing automotive archaeology, trying to figure out what they did with the tools and the capabilities they had then compared to now. It's like a treasure hunt. On top of building the car and restoring the car, it's this hidden gem and this hidden secret of why they did this and why they did that. It's to me, it's pure entertainment. Said, we have a car that you may be interested in. I said, I'm not in the market to purchase anything at the moment. They're like, no, we want it restored. He didn't want to tell me what it was. He said, it's an aluminum-based car, all hand-built. They built two, possibly one, because the two that they built are totally different from each other. They were under the impression the car was lost. Someone found it. There's just been a lot of lack of information on the car. It's just kind of, it was there, then it was gone. And it's just been like this ghostly thing. For a while, people thought it got destroyed. A lot of the years, people thought Frank only built one. Then they found this one. There's just a lot of minutia when it comes to the story with this car. And a lot of the pieces are there, but they haven't been fit on the car in God knows how long. They're not sure what fits, what doesn't fit. The doors won't open. The hood won't open more than a half an inch. They're like, we just need somebody to be able to take this car apart and preserve every piece of it. We are reverse engineering as we are restoring. We need to go backwards and then we need to go forwards to be able to put this car back together. It has one fender on it. The doors won't open. All the parts are thrown in the car, bungeed in the car. There are 5 pictures, 5 black and white pictures in a box. Those are 5 pictures from the article taken in 1949, I think, from Road and Track, that it was in after it got built. That is all I've had for reference points on this car is 5 black and white pictures from a camera from 1949. At least it's something. Because I don't even know what this car looks like together. I have no clue. Lo and behold, somebody made a die cast of this car, of the two, of the 47 and the 48. So I purchased the die cast, thinking it's a normal 1/24th scale die cast. No, it is a 1/43 scale die cast, which is this big, on top of my black and white pictures. It kind of helps, but it doesn't. But as I once I get the die cast, I look at it, and I'm really looking at it close. It is someone's interpretation of the 5 pictures that are available of this car from 1949. But they embellished on a few things. Somebody along the lines, I don't know when, where, how, what year, put taillights on the tops of the rear fenders of this car. This car never had taillights screwed to the top of the rear fenders, if you look at the original pictures. But if you look at the die cast, the taillights are on the die cast. That's one discrepancy. Slight things, and I do understand it is a die cast, but if that is all I have to go off of is a interpretation of someone's die cast creation in 5 black and white pictures, it makes this a little hard. I think Frank saw where the GIs were coming back from the war, 45, 46, 47 era, and they were taking the 32 Fords that you could buy for $75, $50, and they were making hot rods out of them. So I think he saw a market there to do a American version 2-seater sports car like they had overseas, like the Jags and the AMGs, all the British little sports cars, and be able to sell that to the American public.